The Mini 4 Pro Accessories Bundle by FPVtosky is a comprehensive 7-in-1 kit that enhances the DJI Mini 4 Pro experience with a specialized protective case and essential add-ons. A standout feature is the dual-layer hard case, crafted with a durable ABS outer shell and EVA inner tray, providing robust protection for both the drone and its accessories. The included 6-pack filter set, ranging from CPL to ND256, helps manage lighting conditions effectively, ensuring vibrant and well-saturated images even in strong light. For smooth landings, the bundle offers a double-sided leather landing pad, which is both portable and easy to deploy, making it an ideal addition for safe takeoffs and landings. The RC2 lanyard and sun hood cover are designed to offer convenience and protection, freeing your hands while shielding the remote from sun glare. Completing the bundle is a high-quality screen protector that ensures the remote control screen remains scratch-free and maintains excellent touch sensitivity.